So normally, if we say x is cos t and y is sine, this will get us rotating around, kind of interesting. So maybe we just want r. And that gets one guy rotating all the way around. So what happens if I do this plot times cos t again? Oh, something's happening. Oh, yes. Okay, I see. So then here if I do times sine t, those are not quite what we want. It's like exactly wrong. So what if I just flip them? Say sine there and cosine there. Ooh, this is kind of like, it appears to twist the infinity sign. That's interesting. Sine and sine, what happens? Oh, everybody gets bigger and then everybody gets smaller, sure. Really slowly. So let's make a new guy here and we'll call him V and we'll say let V is 0 and we'll have V move a little bit faster. Oh, V is going too fast. V is still going too fast. Honestly, even that's a bit quick. Okay, let's go back to where we were. Cosine here again. It's cool, but it's not. How do we. Get it to do that? What if I times it by r again? It's gonna be too big. Whoa, interesting. So let's go back to where we were. So x is RA times cos. Let's just try it with. Try it with that. I think the reason this is weird is because it's it's got this P1R value, or this PS, which is our random between 0 and 1, plus 100. So in other words, if we shifted this, oh, I guess we can shift it here. If we shifted this from -1 to 1, what is this 100 doing? Oh, interesting. So what if I do that now? Well, we still have this extra situation. It's cool. Make this a little bigger. It looks like a busy highway or whatever. I think if these were all positive, then they would all be going the same direction. Did that not work? Oh, I see, because it's kind of overlapping itself in the other configuration. So what happens if I make this? Some of them are slower. Okay, what if I say, we'll say x is x, x, cosine x. So we sort of run it through again. Y, sine. Whoa. Okay, this was not expected, but this is cool. I think now the values are changing too much between each run, but it's really cool that there's some that are not changing very much at all. It's like a little cloud chamber. Why does it speed up when I scroll? Interesting. How do I slow this down? No way. What? What is happening? What if I times it multiply by 2? Oops. Okay, something's happening. So what if I do, what if I divide by sine of, I don't know, millis over 100? Now it'll like ebb and flow a little bit. I think this is like not big enough of a number. Too fast. I like when it, ooh, interesting, interesting, interesting. Okay, okay. Let's do the same trick on that side too. Sure, sine, that's fine. Let's slow this puppy down even more. What if I do cosine on one side? This makes it look a little too formulaic. Interesting though. What in the world? What if I do cosine here too? What is happening? Is it going to grow back up again? What if I do this? Hello? It's cool. Do that. Okay, I can see it sort of like breathe in and relax. But this causes this like meltdown effect. What? Why does that happen? That part is cool. That's my favorite part. Well, what if I just divide by 10? This is cool. I don't really understand what's going on. That's less cool. I like the round look, but this will just also be diagonal. Oh my god. Supremely weird. Very, very interesting. Okay, too fast. Now we don't like it anymore. Now it's too fast. We're not even using V or this. We're not using that, right? And sure, send it. That's cool. I think it would be cooler if the lines were a little more connected. Can we slow this whole thing down? Now they're a little... The problem is, as always, this computer is fast. And so there's no telling what it's going to look like on someone else's machine. Okay, well this is interesting. I think I'm not using so much of this at this point. I'm not using... Oh, I am using this S value. Is that meaningful now? I mean, not really, right? Can we use it? Put it to use? Make stuff more wild and crazy? Not really helping us. Now it's a little bit like little swimming fishies. That's cool. That is pretty cool. Sure, send it. Let's randomize. Let's have like an S mole value. And we'll say like S mole is random of like 0 to 10 or 15 or whatever. And we'll just do this. So now we get a little bit, oh my gosh, we get a little bit of cross. One thing that I'm having trouble with, so P5.js random, I want different distributions of random. Does it give, is there like Gaussian? Because this is a normal distribution. Oh, P5, you are so good. You are so, so good. No parens. And we have to give it the mean and the standard deviation. So let's have like a mean of like 4 and a standard deviation of 4 also. So is it, oh, probably multiplying by 0 is not good. So let's have the max of like non-zero. That's still too much. We just get like a higher end distribution. Get that high end. Shit. Kind of interesting. Honestly, I liked it more. That's cool. That's cool. I think this is pointless. Let's just send it with whatever we were doing before, like 8, 10. Is the higher the number gets, the more squashed along the bottom it gets? Yeah, so if I do like 100 here, okay, wait, that. So really we want like 5. Or like just enough so that it's kind of looking like a square along the bottom, but you can't quite get there. Fuck yeah, that is cool. That is really cool. Let's do 2 here or something like that. It's throwing off my ratios is the problem. Okay, whatever. Well, we can do, well, what we can do is 6 and 6 because we're cool. We're very capable of multiplying like that. So what happens if this is like way negative? Oh, I guess also different question. What happens if this is just 0? Hard to say, honestly. I like it though. Okay, and that's our show.